Who's so cranky? Who's so cranky? Huh? You woke up with a big smile. Who just woke up with a big smile? Huh? What's up, little one? Say hi, everybody. I just got up from my 3-hour nap. And Mom and Dad are going to try to keep me up. So Mom and Dad can sleep at night. Smile. Christian, aren't you just such a happy baby right now? Aren't you just such a happy baby right now, huh? Smile. Are you happy that we didn't wake you up? Oh, what's that? Huh? Is that a poopy face? I think that's a poopy face. Is that a poopy face? That's a little poopy face. Oh, stretch, stretch, stretch. You want to smile? You want to smile? Huh? Hi, boo-boo. Hi. Oh. Hi. Oh, I think you're pooping.